This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 5984. It is in like new condition and it is on a brand new chassis. The mileage is under 100. The chassis is a brand new Chevrolet G3500 139-inch wheelbase. It is two-wheel drive and it has a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine. Overall length is 251 inches. Overall height is 103, and the headroom is 65. It is a McCoy Miller module. It has new paint, all new rotary latches on the doors, new gaskets, all compartments. It has a new Abrams siren and speakers. It has new LED lights inside and outside. It has an inverter and charger system. It has new HVAC system. And it is a new Chevrolet Duramax 6.6 liter diesel. The chassis is brand new. The body configuration is left front oxygen. It also has left forward storage. That compartment houses the inverter. It also has an adjustable shelf. The left rear compartment is for backboards. All exterior compartments are lit. The load height is 33 inches, and that's without a full fuel load or any cargo. It also has a flip-up rear step. The interior configuration is a left-sided tenant seat with forward and aft action areas. There is storage below, behind, and above. The power distribution quarters is above the walk-through. It is a Type 3 configuration walkthrough, and it has a new panel, a new console, a new Abrams siren, and storage for documentation. It also has a locking cabinet. The ALS cabinet has inside-outside access. Also has another locking option. It has storage above the squad bench, storage beneath the squad bench, trash and sarps container. It has a right rear compartment with additional storage. The shelf could be added if that was desired. The right front compartment is the inside-outside access ALS. It has two adjustable shelves. And the unit has two batteries, one under hood and one on a sliding tray in the right forward and lower compartment. If you have an interest or would like more information on truck number 5984, please call 1-833-REMOUNT or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.